On the coast of East China, a super project that rewrites the rules is rising. Shi-Human Sea Crossing Bridge for both railway and highway. 5 world records. 3 world firsts. The manufacturing accuracy is so high, just like microcarving on 30 football fields. There is no room for error. The core strength of forging this steel bridge is under Steel Bridge Manufacturing 5-line and 1 system intelligent production line. In China Railway, Baoji Bridge Jushan Co., Limited. Let's follow the production process of the steel plates. First, come to the intelligent cutting line. This is the starting point for the accurate shaping of the steel bridge. The high-precision laser cutting is extremely accurate, providing perfect steel parts for the subsequent processes. Then, the steel parts are transported to the intelligent plate unit production line. The welding robot array is ready to welding. They are masters of welding. The robotic arms move precisely to cut the plates. The robotic eyes watch constantly to monitor on every weld, facing top-level problems like inaccurate positioning of stiffeners. Our engineers rely on this intelligent system, innovate and apply the no-tack plate manufacturing technology, combined with independently developed intelligent manufacturing system for special-purpose machine welding of a ribs internal and external, which reduces positioning errors by more than 80%. When all the steel plate units are forged, they will be transported to the intelligent final assembly production line. This is the assembly workshop for steel bridge frames, where mega steel structures like smart building blocks assembly together perfectly under precision positioning systems and intelligent control. The assembled steel structures are ready to transport it to the paint line. As they move to the intelligent painting production line, the automated spraying equipment provides uniform coverage over every inch of the surface, endowing it with superior corrosion resistance and durability to withstand the salt spray and wind waves of the East China Sea. And throughout the process connecting the whole is the intelligent brain of the entire intelligent production line, the Intelligent Workshop Management System. As the command center, monitoring every process and every data of the 5-line in real time, making the utilization rate of intelligent equipment reach 100%. The overall production efficiency has soared by more than 40%. CRBBG, with its 5-line and 1 system as the core driving force, injects new quality productive forces into the very veins of steel. We not only build steel bridges, but also create world-class infrastructure that lasts for generations, powered by the ultimate in intelligent manufacturing.